Welcome back. So, it's been a few days since I talked to you. I'm looking like a new vlog. Look at it. So what we've done is last video we were cleaning it, yeah. We pulled the cam out. No, we pulled the covers off. Hey. Harmonic balancer. Cover. Cam housing. Cam. Flywheel was off. Ham was out. Pressure cleaned everything. That's all back on, as you can see. It's all torqued to specs. I'm through and clean the pistons. Not too much, just so you get full capacity of compression. A few hundred thousandths of a thousandth of a hundredth of a thousandth. It's probably not going to really bother, but I'm not going to scrub the fuckers. That was a bitch to get on, but it's on. New sump gasket. New sump gasket. Torque to specs. Covers torque to specs. 18 foot-pound. 18 foot-pound on the bottom. 18 foot-pound here. On the front case, 18 foot-pound. These were the bolts. 18 foot-pound. These are 18 foot-pounds. The rear main seal. These are forget what they are. They're 100 and something anyway, so just don't quote me on that. Oh no, hang on. They're 70 something because I've got an 80 pound. I could do it with mine, not uncle's. I had to use my uncle's torque wrench and the big torque wrench to get the fucking harmonic balancer bolt on. That's a hectic. Cleaned up in here. My uncle seems to think that I should replace that seal just there. But I think it looks alright. So, we've come down the back. All these are your push rods. What we've done is, I'll just unwrap it. What we've done is made it so you can see through them, because that's where the oil comes up. Soak these hydraulic lifters in the oil. Make sure you do, and to that level there, that's where the oil enters. The oil can't get, noisy bastard. If the oil can't get in there, the oil's not going to come out of there. In turn, it's not going to go up here, creating more friction and more wear and tear, and you'll fuck your push rods. Or snap one or something, do damage anyway. So, next is I've got to clean that out. And apparently you just use soap and water, so what else rocked up? Oh, the air coolant sensor. Air coolant sensor, as you can tell, this is the old one. The new one's gone in. Next on the agenda is these rock up knock sensors. Well, that's the wire harness. The knock sensors yeah. They're torqued down to 15 foot-pounds. They're pretty hectic, actually, these ones. The water pump. I'll see if I can post a torque settings for the Ls1 blog on the comments. I'll see if I can. I'm new to this shit, so anyway, waiting for parts.